Sandro Mulak tila nawawala na nga ba? Ama ni Sandro Mulak na si Nino Mulak sobrang naawa sa kalagayan ngayon ng anak. Ayon dito nagdulot umano ng matinding trauma sa kanyang anak ang nangyari na humantong na sa pagkaroon ng depression, dahil dito ang mag-ama ay nagsampa ng kaso kamakailan lamang sa dalawang GMA contractors na sina Jojo Nons at Richard Cruz na di umano'y gumahasa kay Sandro Mulak.
Ako, tao lang ako. Diyos nga marunong magpatawad. Kaya ko kayong patawarin. Pero kailangan pagbayaran niyo yung ginawa niyo. I'm doing this just to kasi na-insulto talaga ako nung sinabi nilang sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text eh. That's why I'm doing this for my son. And for all the others na dumaan sa ganitong sitwasyon na walang kakayahang lumaban. This was the first text. At 3:59 a.m. Hi Sandro, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na? That was from
That is 3:59 a.m.?
Yes po.
What day?
And then, sumagot si
Sa anong araw yun?
Ay, 20 po yung
August? July.
20 po yung gala. So this is 21 ng
21 na.
araw. Opo.
Okay.
Sir Jojo, sorry po. Di po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now dito sa Marriott, sir.
Sino nag-text yan?
Po?
Sino nag-text yan? Jojo.
Hindi. Yung text si Jojo, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na ba? Okay, sumagot si Sandro. Sir Jojo, sorry po. Hindi po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now sa Marriott, sir. Yun yung sagot ni Sandro. Papa. Hope to see you soonest, Sir Jojo. See you soonest.
Sino nagsabi
Sir
nun?
Jojo.
Sino
Ha?
nagsabi nun?
Si Sandro.
Sandro. Okay, sabihin mo lang. Sandro.
Is every
Para klaro sa tao.
event, lagi lagi magbabati si Jojo kay Sandro ng, Hi Sandro, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. So matagal na silang
Okay, sige.
magka-text ng gano'n.
Proceed.
And then, nag-text ulit si Jojo.
What time?
Po?
What time?
Wala. Basta magkakasunod to na text.
Sige. Okay.
Enjoy. Still partying? Sino kasama mo?
Text si Jojo.
Text si Jojo. Kumakain lang po right now. Kasama ko po friends ko. Sila Miss Nate and Elijah Alejo.
Si Sandro yan.
Si Sandro yung nag-text. So sabi ni Jojo, be safe. Okay? Tapos sumagot ulit si Alonzo, si Sandro ng, thank you Sir Jojo. Hope to work with you. Hope to work with you again. See you soon po. Okay? Tapos, nag-text si Jojo. Nabitin ako sa inom. Ha 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 ha. Sabi ni Jojo. Tapos sumagot si Sandro ng, ako nga din po eh. Tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Yes, soon, cast kita. Yung reply niya was dun sa text ni Sandro na, thank you Sir Jojo, hope to work with you. See you soon po. So, siguro, misa kasi may mga messages na papasok late na eh. So, ito yung sagot naman ni, nauna yung nabitin ako sa inom, kesa ron sa, yes soon, ikakas kita, nagdidirect ako now. Sabi ni Jojo. Wow, sir. Looking forward to that too. Oh, tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Gusto mo ba? We have some alcohol here in the room. We can order some more. Saan po kayo, sir? Sabi ni Sandro. Belmont Hotel. Katabi lang ng Marriott's. So sabi ni Sandro, sino-sino po kayo, sir? Ha, 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 ha. Just me. Sumagot si Jojo. Just me. And then, matagal na yun, hindi nag-reply si Sandro. Siyempre, yung bata, nakita niyang siya na mag-isa, hindi yung sumagot. Takot, di ba? Okay, so, after a while, siguro, nung na-realize na hindi na sumasagot si Sandro, at 4:37 a.m., Ha ha ha. Sumagot kasi si Jojo after a while kasi hindi na nga nag-reply si Sandro. Ha ha ha. Just kidding. Kasama ko the drama peeps. But we're wrapping up in a bit. Okay? Siyempre, kahit sinong artista na baguhan, given a chance na makasama mo yung drama peeps, you will take the chance. Dahil pagkakataon mo yun, i-market yung sarili mo eh. Makasama sila, makaparty mo. Di ba?
Siguro sabi ni Sandro, this is my opportunity.
Yes.
My cast.
That's why. Kaya nga,
I would also do the same.
naintindihan ko naman siya doon sa point na yun. Pero, sabi ko, mali pa lang yung oras. That was yung kumbaga, sermon ko bilang magulang. Mali yung oras. Pero syempre, service of age already. 23 years old na siya, ha?
That was what time? 4
Or
in
37.
the morning.
Yes po. And then, sir, andyan ba kayo, sir? Kasi nga, I'm with the drama peeps, eh, di ba? So sabi ni Sandro, andyan ba kayo, sir? Baka po pwede dumaan saglit. Ha, 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 ha. Kabababa ko lang po. Hindi. Sumagot mo na siya ng sure. May kasama ka?
Your Honor, please, we would like to, because we also have a copy of the
Can you let Mr. Mulak finish first before you rebut or...
we submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Sure. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Kabababa ko lang po sa room ng friends ko. Ox. Sabi ni Jojo. And then, no po. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Ox, Belmont Hotel, 700B. Okay po, akit po ako. Hindi po. Just proves na sila yung una nag-text. Sila, di ba?
But they admitted na kayo una nag-text, diba?
Yes, Your Honor, there was no denial that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. There was no denial with respect to that, Your Honor. The only matter that my client was denying was, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. That is our allegation, Your Honor.
Eh, bakit yung pinalabas sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text?
Your Honor, we have no, wala po kami pinapalabas po sa media na si Sandro ang unang nag-text, Your Honor. There was no like that. We just mentioned that there was a message like that, Your Honor.
But you did not mention the prior conversation, the prior text before you
Yes.
you came out with that text.
Yes, Your Honor, because it
The
was an
media.
answer to a question by a media person.
Hindi, pinalalabas nyo kasi, base ron sa text na yun, na pinalalabas ninyo, na sige, pupunta muna ako dyan saglit.
Dumaan saglit. Okay.
Kaya, yan ang pinalalabas nyo sa media eh. So you were making it appear that it was Sandro who first texted Jojo.
It was not our intention, Your Honor. We just mentioned it
Ang hirap kasi,
as an existence. There's an existent text, Your Honor.
ang hirap kasi, you did not mention, paulit-ulit na lang ako kanina, you did not mention the previous text. That's why Sandro prompted to text you like that, to text him like that. Nadadaan ako dyan because Sandro, nung nag-text si Jojo na sinabi, I am with the drama peeps. So, komportable si Sandro na pumunta doon dahil may maraming tao. Oh. Kasi nung sinabi ni Jojo doon sa text na ako lang, hindi nag-reply si Sandro eh. It took a while for him to reply because Jojo texted again, no, joke lang. I am with the drama peeps. That's why he was convinced and he went to the room of ano. That's why he texted that text na sige, dadaan lang ako saglit. Ganun lang yun.